Today I'm going to be using these wood slats that you could find at the Dollar Tree. I have 6 of them. They measure 18 inches long, and I'm going to glue all 6 of them together on the sides. I'm using some Elmer's wood glue, and I'm applying the wood glue with a small paintbrush. Next, I have 2 more wood slats. These measure 12 inches, and I'm going to apply those to the ends with some Elmer's wood glue and a little bit of hot glue. And they were just the perfect length so that it covered the width of the 6 18-inch wood slats. And I'll apply one on each end. Again, I'm holding that in place with some Elmer's wood glue and a little bit of hot glue, and then I just have my clamps to hold it in place until it dries. Once fully dry, I'm going to paint the entire thing with some Wise Owl chocolate. Now you could really pick any colors of your choice. I do a dark color underneath, and then I'm going to apply some Wise Owl Snow Owl on top. You could pick a lighter color for the top. And once everything is fully dry, I just give it a light sanding so that way I have some of that brown peeking through the white. And then you want to remove all the sanding dust. I have these wood craft cubes. You can get them in a pack from the Dollar Tree. There's 36 in one pack. And I'm going to hot glue 4 of the cubes together. So I'm going to need a total of 40 cubes. So it's 1 full pack. And then I had 4 more just randomly laying in my craft stash. And I'm going to make a group of 10 total. I'm then going to paint 5 of them with some Wise Owl Higgins Lake. And then I'll paint the other 5 with some Wise Owl Black. I'm going to allow everything to fully dry. I have my wood letters. I'm going to have 5 O's and 5 X's. And I'm going to paint the X's with the black and the O's with the white. And then I will allow those to fully dry as well. Once everything was dry, I'm going to glue my O's onto my black cubes, and I'm going to adhere that with some E6000, and then I will glue the X's onto the Higgins Lake cubes. I'm going to go back to the tray we made from Dollar Tree Supplies, and I'm going to use one of the 12-inch pieces of wood as my guide, and I'm going to make a little Tic Tac Toe board with this thick Sharpie marker. You can also use a paint marker, but I like the width of this board for the game. I then found these handles from Hobby Lobby. Every other week they have their handles 50% off. So I got these for about $2.50 each. You can really create this to fit any style of your choice. And I'm going to screw them in place, one on the left side, one on the right side. I found these galvanized letters from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place them at the top here, and it's going to spell out Tic Tac Toe. I'm gluing the metal letters down with some E6000. And I'm then going to take my Sharpie marker and put the little dashes between the words. And then there we go. We finished this off using mostly Dollar Tree items. And you have this really cute tic-tac-toe tray. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day.